Hello and welcome to this answer explanation video. In this video I'm going to go through the answers to the Add 2 4-digit numbers worksheet. I'll go through each question, showing different ways of working things out, and hopefully cover some of the bits you may have found tricky. Question 1 says, complete each calculation. Which one has the fewest exchanges? So we need to solve each calculation in turn and work out how many exchanges take place in each calculation. So our first question is 4,861, add 3,139. 1 add 9 is 10. 6 add 3 is 9, plus 1 more is 10. So that's 2 exchanges. 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 1 more is 10. And 4 add 3 add 1 is 8. So there's 3 exchanges in that calculation. So B, 7,582, add 1,627. 2 add 7 is 9, 8 add 2 is 10. 5 add 6 is 11, plus 1 more is 12. And 7 add 1 more is 9. So in that calculation, there are 2 exchanges. C, 5,208, add 3,792. 8 add 2 is 10. 0 add 9 add 1 is also 10. 2 add 7 add 1 more is also 10. 5 add 3 add 1 is 9. So in this calculation, there are also 3 exchanges. So B is the calculation that has the fewest exchanges. Question 2 says, true or false? C totals the largest number. Complete each calculation to check. So what we need to do is work out what the representations on your sheet mean, what they're asking us to do, and then work out whether or not this statement is true. The place value chart on A represents 3,635, add 1,465. The part whole model for B represents 4,718, add 1,493. And the bar model for C represents 2,360, add 4,857. Remember, for B and C, it doesn't matter which way round you put the numbers, because addition is commutative, so you will get the same answer either way. It wouldn't matter either if you swap the numbers for A around, but that's how they are represented on the sheet. So let's do A first. 5 add 5 is 10. 3 add 6 is 9, add 1 more is also 10. 6 add 4 add 1 is 11. And 3 add 1 more is 5. B, 8 add 3 is 11. 1 add 9 add 1 more is 11. 7 add 4 add 1 more is 12. 4 add 1 more is 6. And finally C, 0 add 7 is 7. 6 add 5 is 11. 3 add 8 add 1 more is 12. 2 add 4 is 6, add 1 more is 7. So this statement is true. C totals the largest amount, adding up to 7,217. The others are less than that, and we know they are less than that because in the thousands number you've got 5 and we've got 6, which are both less than 7. Question 3 says, Arthur has filled in the boxes in the calculation to total the answer below. Is he correct? Prove it. So here is the calculation that Arthur has done. 3,754 add 3,778 equals 6,422. In order to prove whether or not Arthur is correct, we need to just do the calculation ourselves to make sure he's done it correct. So, if we do 4 add 8, we get 12. 5 add 7 makes 12, plus 1 more makes 13. 7 add 7 is 14, add 1 more is 15. And 3 add 3 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. So if we look at what Arthur has done, and we look at what we have done, the answer is incorrect. It appears Arthur has forgotten to add in his exchanges as he's worked out the answers to the calculation, and therefore he has got the answer wrong. That was an answer explanation video from Classroom Secrets on add 2 4-digit numbers. If you would like to watch the video tutorial that accompanies this step, please visit kids.classroomsecrets.co.uk. And if you would like more resources that cover this step, please visit our other website, classroomsecrets.co.uk. Thanks for watching.